Have you noticed people who attract friends easily and wondered what their secret is? People who focus on doing things to feel good about themselves are usually positive thinkers that easily attract friends based on their positive thoughts. This positivity allows them to have a vibration that is open and welcoming. In this meditation, we will activate the law of attraction by tapping into the universe's divine energy. You will be surrounded by positivity, confidence, and self-love that will attract people with similar vibrations. Let's begin by simply sitting or lying in a comfortable position in a place where you will not be disturbed or distracted. Close your eyes and release all the tension from your body. Focus your attention on your breath. Take a deep breath for 4 seconds and hold it for 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale slowly for 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's repeat this breathing cycle to relax the body and mind even deeper. Take a deep breath for 4 seconds and hold it for 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale slowly. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Return your breathing to a natural rhythm. Picture yourself in a safe place, a place where nothing can harm you. A place that makes you feel free and happy. Look around you. Let this place energize you with its divine power. Slowly, this place becomes brighter and brighter, filling up with a cosmic source of energy. This energy becomes so bright you can barely see anything through it. It's becoming the air you breathe. Let this energy bring a state of peace and stillness through your whole being. Breathe in confidence, happiness, self-love. Exhale all your fears and worries. Again, breathe in positivity, love, and trust. Breathe out loneliness and negativity. On every inhale and exhale, you notice a change is happening. Notice your facial expression. You can't stop smiling. You feel so happy, energized. It's so powerful, you just want to share this with somebody. We're going to send a message to the universe asking to attract a lifetime friend. A person that vibrates in the same frequency as you. A person that will connect with you at the deepest levels of your soul. Somebody that will trust you to be the best friend you can be. Let's send this message now. Repeat the following request in your mind. Dear universe, I am happy, positive, and ready to become somebody's lifetime best friend, a person next to which I can evolve and become my best version. Repeat this one more time with even more intention. Dear universe, I am happy, positive, and ready to become somebody's lifetime best friend, a person next to which I can evolve and become my best version. Now, visualize that you have already met your friend. See everything in exact details. Is it a male or female? How do you feel next to this person? Take a few minutes to visualize a typical conversation between you, maybe a place where you spend time together. See what you're doing together. Where are you? Who is around you? What do you hear? Can you smell something? For the next few minutes, visualize the whole experience with your true lifetime friend. Now, share with the universe your best properties, the same properties that your best friend has. Repeat in your mind the following affirmations. I attract friends easily. I like who I am and attract others who love me too. The love of friends surrounds me. Loving others is easy when I love and accept myself. I have deep connections with my friends. I trust myself. I trust life, and I trust my friends. I am ready to open my heart to true friendship and a meaningful connection. I develop lasting friendships with ease. I am a good and loyal friend. Stay in this state a few more moments to notice the energies within you. Be grateful and thank the universe for the change that just happened. Now, bring awareness back to your surroundings. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. If you've enjoyed this guided meditation, subscribe to our channel, and download the Enhanced app for exclusive guided meditations, visualizations, and more. Find the download link in the description below. Make sure to leave a like and comment. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and supports the channel. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you at the next session.